We start with the MERS outbreak in Korea that's still showing little sign of slowing down. 5 more cases were confirmed overnight with 2 additional deaths. For details, we go over to our Connie Kim at the news centre. Connie, what's the latest?
Well, Mark, the health ministry said 4 of the newly confirmed cases are from hospitals where MERS patients are receiving treatment. Now, one is a healthcare provider who did CPR on a MERS patient just before the patient died. And what's alarming is that 3 of the 5 cases are from patients who caught the virus from patients with tertiary infections, raising concerns that this will lift the number of MERS infections. And of the 5 new confirmed cases, one is from Konkuk University Hospital, the first case to be detected there. And regarding the 2 MERS patients who passed away, one had been suffering from diabetes and one had a bad liver but no special disease. Now the death toll could rise even further as 17 MERS patients are reported to be in critical condition. Health officials had said last week was a critical turning point for containing the virus, but with more people put into quarantine yesterday, we will have to keep monitoring the situation.
And Connie, the health ministry said just this morning that a task force is working around the clock at the Samsung Medical Center in southern Seoul, which has been one of the hospitals hardest hit by this outbreak. That medical center also announced on Sunday a temporary suspension of all non-emergency services until June 24th. What more can you tell us about that?
Well, Mark, in a press briefing this morning, the health ministry said a team of 24 medical personnel are being deployed to Samsung Medical Center to work on containing the virus. Now, the center is the largest source of MERS infections in the country. In addition, 2 other hospitals in Seoul have announced temporary partial shutdowns. Korea Cancer Center Hospital announced it has shut down its emergency room temporarily after finding out that one patient who visited the ER on Sunday had previously been hospitalized at Samsung Medical Center. Officials say the patient is currently undergoing testing for the virus. Borame Hospital has also closed its ER after discovering one of its patients was positive for MERS. After taking preventative measures, it will reopen tomorrow morning. Medihill Hospital and Changwon SK Hospital are also closed temporarily after MERS patients were found to have had contact with hundreds of people there.
And Connie, there have been concerns MERS might spread outside of Korea. This after a Korean man was isolated in a hospital in Slovakia. How is he said to be doing?
Well, the man, who is in his 30s, is currently waiting for the results of his 5th MERS test. He has undergone 4 rounds of testing with 3 negatives and 1 positive. After entering Slovakia last week, he began showing symptoms of the disease with high fever and diarrhea and was isolated right away. Seoul's foreign ministry says the man hadn't been to any of the hospitals where he would have caught MERS before his visit. The results of his 5th test will be out today. Back to you.